Good morning, Juan Pablo.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Gina, she told me she will attend soon, but she can't participate because she is with her son at hospital.
Oh my
Mm,
gosh.
but I don't know about Adriana. I will call her again. Uh, let's wait 2 minutes if Adriana maybe can attend. So,
Okay,
uh,
no problem.
okay. No. So in 10 minutes, so Gina will be here. So we can start, I guess so. We need to start. So let's start.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Let me um put on my t-shirt and
Mm, I'm gonna share my screen with you and you. Okay, let me know when you're ready. So you can open your camera and start the session.
okay, perfect. I think that now. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
You got me?
Yeah, I can see you. Okay, so let's start today. Let's start with the easiest structure today about comparative, adjective, and superlative. Do you know about them? Have you practiced them before? Comparative and superlatives?
Yeah, I remember a little bit, and so I remember the last opportunity that I have to practice a little. It was a little. complicated for me, but it's okay. I know the main context, so it's okay. We can start with this part.
Okay, that's good. Let's continue. I know this is easy. We have today 2 moments. First this topic, and then we will try another topic just to join the activity, because those are some easiest topics that I hope that you can understand very well and that you can practice. So, when talking about the characteristics of two things or people, we can compare them. When we have two characteristics of or two things to compare about the people or the things, we can compare them using adjectives that say which similarities or difference both objects or people may have. So in this case, we have, for example, here two guys, one guy and one girl. um, we can see that the person A is some lazy and some sleepy. So we can say that he's faster than that right one person B that is running and is really active. So we can say that this one is faster, but we can say that she is really faster than him because we can compare the activity of them, and we can say, yeah,
Yeah,
this person is the faster. Yeah.
yeah,
But in this case, it's like faster than. We are comparing them, so we have to add the person A. So the person B is faster than the person A. Yeah.
yeah,
So B is faster than A.
yeah. Perfect.
In this case, Anna is more introverted than Oliver. We can compare and we can say, oh yeah, she is more calm, she is more quiet, but
Right.
he is more funny. Yeah, so we can say Anna is more introverted than Oliver. In this case, you can see that we are using this more, but why not here? Here is the difference.
Faster.
Why not here? More, and here there doesn't is. So
Yeah,
what happened? The comparative adjectives are formed in two ways. There are two ways. There are long adjectives that are more than 2 syllables. So that's why we add more before the adjective and than after. This than is really important. This than here, this one. And add more when the adjectives contains more than 2 syllables. It's not the same to
yeah,
say, it's not the same to say fast, just 1 syllable, but it's not the same to say introvert, more than 2 syllables. That's why we
yeah.
can add an ear here, but we can add a more before the word. So about short adjectives, 1 or 2 syllables, just like fast, we can add that er. Esta er que sale de este more, yo la anoto así, esta er sale del revés de este more. Entonces,
Yeah,
cuando tengas una R, lo puedes identificar fácilmente que estamos comparando. Y la otra pista es que añadimos este than, this than. Este than, obligatoriamente, porque es el que significa que. Estoy comparando con quién. Ah, que. Es más veloz que. Está que. ¿Listo? So we add er or are, and sometimes it's just the are at the end of the adjective and than after. Este a se añade al final del adjetivo y este than se añade después de ese adjetivo con er. En este caso, el more se añade antes del adjetivo y el than después. Queda en esa mitad ahí. For example, you can take a screenshot of this one because it's really and there are really good examples that you can take into account about long adjectives. For example, expensive, more than 2, so more expensive. We can say expensiver. So in this case, hello, Gina. So,
Hello.
hello. Today we are talking about comparative and superlative adjectives, and we are talking that with long adjectives. For example, those about that we can say expensive have more than 2 syllables, we add a more before the adjective. For example, more expensive, more dangerous, more beautiful, more difficult, more interesting, more important, more modern, more popular, more cheerful, more cheerful. So these are some adjectives that have more than 2 syllables that you can count with your palms, and you can say, "Oh, clap, clap, clap." Expensive, more than 2 syllables. It's obviously that I have to add a more, and I can say expensiver is not possible. Dangerouser, beautifuler. It will sound really weird. So it's best this way. And about the short adjectives, we have some examples like easy, and we add in the air. So we change this Y and we add the I, and the E and the R. So we add the easier. It's not easy with Y, but easier. Old. So we have older. Late. Just one. Late. Easy. Old. Just 1 or 2 syllables. Old. Top. Old. Just adding the air. Late. Later. Large. Larger. Tall. Taller. Fast. Faster. High. Higher. Sad. Sadder. Smaller. Smaller. Although, además, we use the comparative adjectives when talking about two things. One of these or both can be a group of things. Los comparativos los podemos usar también con un grupo de cosas. Cuando hablamos de dos cosas diferentes, puede ser un grupo. Por ejemplo, Anne is wealthier than all the other millionaires in the world. Here we have the ER, and we have the than. And we are comparing them, Ana, con los otros millonarios en el mundo. In this case, vamos ahora con los superlativos. ¿Qué pasa con los superlativos? Superlatives. Ya no tenemos, en este caso, in this case, ya no tenemos el than y ya no tenemos el ER, no tenemos el ER, ya no los tenemos, ni el more. En este caso ya no tenemos el more. Ahora vamos a ver qué tenemos en los superlativos. ¿Cómo podemos decir algo que ya sobre todo ya no es comparando, sino ya está sobre todo, superlativos, supera todo? So in this case, a superlative is adjective or adverb expressing the highest degree of a quality among 3 or more items. Ok, ya no estoy comparando solo dos, sino estoy diciendo, uy, entre 3 o un grupo de tantos, estoy comparando y estoy diciendo, no estoy comparando, sino ya estoy dando una definitiva. Es el más inteligente, es el mejor, es tal. Lo estoy sobreelevando sobre todo lo demás. Entonces, por ejemplo, this case is really, we can say that this is short and this is tall. So this is tall, yeah, he is tall, but he is the tallest, the tallest. En este caso usamos ese the, como cuando decimos the end, entonces en este caso the tallest, the tallest. We have also fast and fastest. Tenemos a alguien que es rápido, pero hay alguien que es mucho más rápido y se nota. We have someone that is old, but we had someone that is the oldest. She can be, for example, she's 55, but he's 57. So these are a difference. Yeah, and he is the oldest. We can say he is the oldest. These are always a list that you can take a screenshot also, because these are the superlatives. And we can say 1 syllable, big. In this case, there is a ruler that in this case, because it's just 3 letters, you can say here, with W, the letter here, and we have to say biggest with WG. Tall, tallest, just adding the EST, just add the EST. Ya no es ER, but is EST. Cheap, cheapest. Short, shortest. Fat, fattest. look at here. It's a T, 1, 2, 3 letters. So with W, the letter T. Fattest. Fast, fastest. Slow, slowest. Thin, thinnest. Young, youngest. Cute, cutest. Plain, plainest. Brave, bravest. High, highest. The smart, smartest. Hard, hardest. Kind, kindest. 2 syllables. That's right. Clever. Okay. Happy, grumpy, lucky, pretty, lazy, dirty, early, little, little, busy, tiny, bumpy, filthy, funny, heavy, hungry, greasy. So we can add just the est, cleverest, happiest, grumpiest, luckiest, prettiest, laziest, and again. With 3 syllables, we know that is a long word with beautiful. Okay, more than 2. So in this case, we don't use the more, but we use the superlative word that is must. Must. Must beautiful. Must intelligent. Must generous. Must dangerous. Must difficult. Must beneficial. Must courageous. Must comfortable. Must desirous. Must delicious. Must devilish. Must excited. Must glamorous. Must impossible. Must likable. Must nutritious. And must outstanding. So we are here. This is a good table that can help you if you maybe you are okay, what I can do here. Okay, look at this thing. This thing have more than it's just 1 syllable, but what happened here? That in this case the T and the H sound like just one. So we looked at thin, tiniest, tiniest. Okay. So in this case we can W the N in this case. Tennis. It's just 4 letters, but it's like this and this is just one. So tennis. Just in this case. Okay? It's an exception. We have some exception in English. So they confuse, they are exceptions. Okay, this is really important. Here is the important, and here is why we can take where we took those irregular verbs to say, for example, here we can see that we have an adjective in the comparative and superlative way, and with much money and a lot of, we take the more with the comparative, and we have the must to the superlative. So for comparative we use more than, and superlative we use the most. This is really important. Sometimes we pronounce this the and the, but in this case is the most. The most or the most. It sounds better like say the most. Okay, adjective. That the comparative is worse and the superlative is the worst. It changed because it's an irregular verb, right? So it changed their structure. Good, better, and the best. That's why we say, oh, he is my befo. Why? He is my best friend. Por eso decimos, él es mi mejor amigo, ella es mi mejor amiga. Entonces no decimos, ella es mi buena amiga nada más, sino ya le damos un superlativo que decimos, oh, the best, la mejor, el mejor, ¿cierto? Far. We have farther and the farthest. Desde aquí sacamos nuestra palabra, por eso decimos mi mejor amiga, the best. Por eso también decimos the most intelligent of the classroom. Far, farther, and the farthest. Little, less, no decimos more or less, sino less, and the least. Cuando es algo poco, less, menos, y the least. En este caso, in this case, cuando tenemos este more, o cuando tenemos un comparativo, y queremos decir que es menos porque ahí también estamos comparando. También podemos decir, oh, ella es menos inteligente que él. Entonces, in this case, we can use less. Less important, less intelligent. ¿Ya? Entonces, cuando quieran, y miren que no hay formas de concretar algo, pero ustedes pueden añadir este less y les dan este less, quiere decir que hay la posibilidad de decir, ok, aquí no están comparando quién es más, sino quién es menos. Entonces, less important, less intelligent, less interactive. Entonces, en este caso, y the least es el menos. Ya le estamos dando el superlativo en el mayor cantidad de least. The least important, the least highest, the least. So in this case, it's important to have. El more y el less lo usamos para comparativos. Y el most y el least lo usamos para superlativos, que no se nos olvide una actividad. Si no nos cuadra more ni la R, busquen a ver si hay otra forma en la cual les da un less o un the least. ¿Ok? Okay, I'm gonna share with you this video. Uh, it's really it is like a podcast that you can read them and you can just listen and read. So I'm gonna share with you this one, and you have to it's like a general resume or summary of this. So I'm gonna share the sound and I'm gonna mute myself.
6-minute grammar
From
Can
the
you hear?
BBC.
Hello and welcome to 6-Minute Grammar with me, Rob.
And me, Sophie. Hello.
Today we're talking about comparatives and superlatives, what they are and how to use them.
Yes, we use comparatives and superlatives to compare people and things. Listen carefully because, as usual, there is a quiz at the end of the show.
Okay, we'll start with some examples of the comparative. So, Sophie, can you stand up, please?
Okay.
Right, look, back to back here.
Okay.
Now, look, I'm taller than you.
But I'm thinner than you.
Good point. The sentences I'm taller than you and I'm thinner than you both use the comparative form.
We use comparatives to compare two people or things that are different in some way.
Listen again to the examples we've just used. Where does the word than come?
I'm taller than you. I'm thinner than you.
Than comes after the comparative adjective. We usually use than in comparative sentences.
But not always. For example, I can ask, who is taller, you or me?
Now, there are different ways to make the comparative form. For short words, just add That's spelt E-R. So tall becomes taller.
Thin becomes thinner.
Adjectives like happy, funny, easy that end in the sound E, spelt with a Y, add ear, spelt I-E-R.
So happy becomes happier.
Easy becomes easier. An example, please, Neil.
English is easier than Chinese.
Not if you're Chinese, though. Now, adjectives that have two or more syllables but don't end in E, spelt Y, use more. Neil has some examples.
A tablet is more useful than a laptop. The film of The Hobbit is more exciting than the book.
Useful has two syllables and exciting has three. So we say more useful and more exciting.
6-minute grammar.
From the BBC. And we're talking about comparatives and superlatives. We've seen how to use and make comparatives.
Now we're going to tell you what superlatives are and how to use them. Sophie, are you good at geography?
Oh, I'll have a go.
Okay, here's a question for you. What's the longest river in the world?
Well, the Nile is a very long river, but I think the longest river in the world is the Amazon?
And you're right, it is the Amazon. The longest river is a superlative. We use superlative forms to compare one person or thing with several others in a group. We often use them to say which thing or person is the greatest, the biggest.
The most beautiful, the best in some way.
To make the superlative of short words like high, deep, tall, add est. That's spelled E-S-T.
So, the highest mountain, the deepest ocean, the tallest person.
And remember to put the before the adjective. So it's I'm the tallest person in my family.
Now, for longer adjectives with 2 or more syllables, we use most. Rob, who is the most famous actor in the world?
Oh, well, there are many, aren't there? But I think Brad Pitt is the most famous actor in the world.
The most famous actor, so it's the plus most plus adjective.
For adjectives that end in E, spelt Y, like funny and happy, we add eest. That's I-E-S-T. Here's an example.
The funniest show on TV is The Simpsons.
Now, finally, look out for the irregular comparatives and superlatives.
My iPhone 5 was better than my iPhone 4, but the iPhone 6 is the best phone on the market now, in my opinion.
The comparative form of good is better, and the superlative form is best.
The comparative of bad is worse.
And the superlative is worst. Listen to these examples.
Winters have been bad the last few years. 2012 was worse than 2011, but 2013 was the worst winter since records began.
Now for the quiz. I'll give you an adjective and a sentence, and you have to complete the gap with a comparative or superlative.
Okay, number 1. The word's old. Jenny is 10 and Simon is 15. So Simon is than Jenny.
And the answer is older. Simon is older than Jenny.
Next word, beautiful.
This one for you. Okay, the word is beautiful. The Taj Mahal is the building I have ever seen. Look at the structure. You have a D. Sorry. You have a D and you have a beautiful word. So, where is the way that you can complete this one?
Most.
The most what?
The most beautiful.
The most beautiful building I have ever seen. El Taj Mahal es la construcción, el edificio más hermoso que he visto
The
en mi
Taj
vida.
Mahal is the building I've ever seen.
And the answer is most beautiful.
Very good. Okay, what about this one? The word is good. So using BBC, this video is up from BBC Learning English. That BBC Clear English. So using BBC Learning English is the how to say this way to improve your English. You have a D and you have a good.
Best.
The best way to improve your
The
English.
Taj Mahal is the most beautiful building.
BBC Learning English.
Using BBC.
Yeah, the best. Using BBC Learning English is the best way to improve your English. Just one word to explain everything. Okay, there are a lot more about this.
BBC Learning English
in
is the
this.
best.
So this is about the page that you can look for more information, for more podcast. It's not an ad, chica. Commercial, an ad. I'm not giving you that. I'm just giving you some examples. Okay, let's continue with this one. Let's start with this one. Okay, what is the superlative form of fast?
My goodness. Superlative.
Mm-hmm. Remember the rulers when
Oh,
they're
okay, yeah. I think that I got it. It was red, I think.
you think the
Mm,
superlative
not
or
orange.
Oh,
comparative?
The
sorry, my
fast,
bad. Yeah, it's
the fast,
superlative.
Yeah. The fastest, you say, Gina?
blue. Yes.
Blue?
Superlative.
Okay. Juan Pablo, are you
Oh,
agree about this one? This is the correct ruler?
I think that may be orange.
Maybe orange. Why?
confundiendo. Sí, orange, orange, the fastest.
Why?
Yeah, because I remember that the word, yeah, fast is just with one feet.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Ante. Mhm.
Yeah, very good. What is the comparative form of new?
Oh my gosh. I think maybe it's purple.
Purple.
Purple?
Yes.
Yeah, because I don't remember see the words with two
Mhm.
W.
Yeah. So this is the comparative form?
Yeah, because
Nice.
that
Good of
is
that.
after that the word.
Then you are done. Okay, what is the comparative form of angry? Angry. Just
Angry. Angrier. Red.
red, because we changed the Y, right?
Yeah.
And we add the R. Very good. What is the superlative form of thin?
Superlative. 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 Mm, oh my god.
Orange, the thinnest.
The thinnest?
Yeah, I think the same.
You think the same? Okay, Juan Pablo, do you
I
remember? Do you remember something about this one?
I try to remember about it.
You try. Try again.
Let me check one more time. Superlative.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
WN.
Yeah.
Blue, the thinnest. The
yeah.
Yeah,
thinnest.
very good, Gina. The tiniest, yeah. Okay. This
Oh
is
my
correct.
god.
Ah, sorry,
The
sorry. It's the thinnest.
thinner.
Yeah, it's the thinnest. It's the thinnest. No, it's the thinnest. Because the
Oh,
other
okay.
one, if you can see, is the sorry, is the
Yeah,
comparative form is the thinner. Thinner is not possible with superlative. So
yeah,
it
it's
was right. You
mixed.
were right. Yeah, you were right.
Okay.
What is the superlative and comparative form
Okay,
of
the
fun?
true.
No importa si está en desorden, pero que estén correctas, superlativo y comparativo. No importa el orden.
I think the green.
Green. The
Yeah.
funniest. The funniest
The fun
and
is-
funnier than.
I don't know.
Ok, ¿y por qué duplicarías en una sí y en otra no duplicaría la letra?
I don't know. To be honest, I
Blue,
don't know.
fullness, the fullness.
Ok, ¿y por qué utilizaríamos el Y?
I don't know.
No,
Oh
it's
no,
the orange.
The
The
orange.
orange top.
never.
Yeah.
No.
The orange, okay. Funnier than and the funniest. Nice. Very good. That's the correct
Because
way.
you say the answer.
No, yo solamente dije, ¿por qué duplicaría la N en una y en la otra no?
Yeah, and that's the answer.
No, porque puede ser buscado una sola N, no. Okay. What is the superlative and comparative form of hot?
Red,
Red,
hotter than the hottest.
hotter than, and the hottest. Are you agree, Juan Pablo?
Yeah, red.
Yeah, very
Red,
good.
all right.
Okay,
I
Gina, you're really
considered.
fast looking for this
Yeah,
one. What is the superlative and comparative form of good?
green.
Green,
Green.
green. Very good. The superlative and comparative is better and best. Very good. Avoid the fail, so it's 7 from 7 because it was one fail. Sorry. Una respuesta equivocada seleccionada. Sorry. And let's continue with and check. No, this one is the last one. Okay, this one. Okay, let's try. My house is than yours. Tienes el than. So,
Bigger. Green.
green. Okay, Gina, can you participate and take one and then Juan Pablo para turnarlos? It's possible? It is possible?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so it will start Juan Pablo and then you. My house is, you say bigger. Very good. Okay, Gina, this flower is. Please read the sentence complete.
More beautiful, and that's one.
More beautiful than the one. Very good. Juan Pablo, it's your turn.
More interesting.
More interesting. Nice. Gina?
A holiday by the sea is
By.
better.
By the sea. By.
By the sea, by the
Mhm.
sea is better than a holiday in the mountains.
The
Mountains.
mountains. Mountains. Very
The
good. It's
mountains.
mountains. Nice. Very good. Cheetahs are
Faster than cats.
faster than cats. Very good. You got the idea. It is strange, but often a cock is
More expensive.
more expensive than a beetle. Very good. The weather
The weather this summer is even um, worse than the last
worse.
summers.
This summer. This summer is even worse. Like a summer. Gina.
Out more longer. I
More
don't know.
longer. How many syllables contain the word long?
Oh no, longer. It's longer
Okay.
than
This one or this one?
Oh, difficult. um, green? No,
Green.
no,
Nice.
no, no.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Yes. It contains more than three
Confused.
letters, so it's possible. Okay, orange are
Orange are sweeter.
which one?
Oh my gosh. That green.
Green. Very
Yeah.
good. It contains more than three letters.
Yeah.
I was
Happier.
happy.
Pink. Happier.
Pink.
Yes.
Very good. Than my friends. My friends. Vegetables. Vegetables are
Vegetable are healthier than yellow.
yellow.
That sweets.
Very good. Like Halloween sweets than them. English is
Easier. Easier.
easier.
Pink. Yes.
Nice. Well done. Superlative. Let's go with this one. He is. Let's start with Gina and then Juan Pablo. He is
He is the funniest. Blue.
the with blue, the funniest guy of my group. Very good. You
The man.
remember about the funny. Very good. That room is
That room is um,
in the whole house.
mm, the coolest.
The coldest. Yeah, superlative. Gina, this puppy
The prettiest. Green.
green, the prettiest. That's
Yes.
right. Very good. The prettiest. You are
You are that blue, the sweetest person I have met.
the sweetest person I
I don't
have
know
met.
why I see the imagine and I just thinking like, oh my god, what?
What? Okay. It was I
The
was
angriest. I was the angriest.
the angriest person. Very good. This is
This is the cloudiest
this
sky
is
I have ever seen.
the Clarice. Very good. Okay. That day she was
The sorry. Sad. I don't
the
know
saddest,
pronunciation.
the
Saddest.
saddest
The sad.
girl
The
at her
saddest.
school. Algo malo le hicieron. Okay. Nice job. Now let's combine both of them and let's play this game.
Oh my gosh.
In this case, you have to look for the words. You have to look for the complete sentence and try to look for, okay, here these are comparing two things, or here these are telling me there is in all the world or in the on the classroom or all the house or all the family, general, superlative, or just comparing. And you have to look for that. So pay attention and let's start. Who wanna start? Okay, I want to start. A smartwatch isn't a smartphone. Okay, I have a smartwatch and I have a smartphone. So I think that I'm comparing, so I will add this than a smartphone. And in this case, isn't, okay, isn't, it could be expensive or expensive. No, it can be expensive. So, most expensive, no, because I'm not giving a superlative. I'm comparing with this than. So is more expensive, most expensive, is not possible. Expensive, I can't. Okay, the right one is more expensive than. Oh, sorry. Ay, sorry. My bad. More expensive, sorry. I forget.
Yeah, it's it's the blue option.
Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. That one. That is an example that you can do. Sorry, more expensive. I don't know why I have this ear. I have that ear at on my mind. Okay, you can start. Ya have cuando encontremos esa ya tenemos la respuesta correcta. Okay. Okay, guys, go ahead. Ya saben que no pueden mezclar el more y el ear.
Happier.
Okay, happier?
Yeah, the last option. Green.
This one. Nice. Gina, come on. Helen is the girl in her family. Just in her family.
Tienes. ¿Tienes? Tienes.
Tiniest? This one?
Tienes? No.
No?
No. Already? No.
Yes, no?
No.
No?
No. Down is book orange. Tienes
Orange? This
green,
one?
right? Abajo. Down?
This one?
No.
No?
Right? Right? Izquierda?
I can't hear you.
Green. Tienes.
Green?
Tienes.
Tienes?
Green.
Are you sure? Okay. If you forget to W the letter N because TH is like use one, you will never forget about it. No te olvides nunca que ese tin se duplica la N. Nunca se te va a olvidar. Juan Pablo.
Okay, look is one of the blank models in my country. Okay, look is one of the oh my god. Oh yeah. More handsome.
More handsome? Are you comparing?
Oh no, sorry. Handsome. Yeah, it's the first option.
This one?
No? Yeah.
What is the superlative and what is the comparative form? The handsome?
I'm not sure. You made me doubt. Look is one of the
Like I asked Gina, I was like, are you sure, Gina? Okay. See.
look
Okay,
is one of
you
the
have the T. Yes, you have the T. But for
Oh
comparative,
yeah. I forget the T. Sorry. My bad. Okay, the most the most it was the most blue ocean.
Most blue option. You forget about this one.
Yeah, my bad, sorry.
The most handsome model in my country. Very good.
Yeah.
Gina, my sister is the
Nice. Blue?
blue nicest.
Yes. Yes.
This one,
Here. Yes. Yeah. That.
the nicest of all my family. Nice, contagious, one, two, syllable, one, nicest. Very good. Juan Pablo, Michael is as
Yeah, Michael is as faster as the list.
okay. I love this one. I will explain you this one. Okay, here. I want to explain you this one so you can remember this one. Do you remember what is the meaning of when it's to us? Do you know about the meaning of this as and this as? Do you know about it?
Yeah, I think it's like oh my god, it's like what to say in Spanish? Yeah, it's
Is
eh, sí, es
as.
como como una comparación, ¿no?
Yeah.
¿Cómo? Yeah, I don't know. I just
Yeah,
in my
it's a
head.
comparative form, but in the same line. It's like saying,
Yeah.
como en español decir, Michael es tan rápido como Alice. And este primer as, where is? Oh, wait a moment, what is my pencil? Miras, este es como decir tan, uy, tan, y este otro as es como decir cómo, comparando, ¿no? ¿Cómo? No una pregunta, sino cómo. Entonces, en este caso diríamos, Michael is as soon as than Alice. Entonces, en este caso, Michael es tan inteligente, tan rápido, tan magnífico como Alice.
Okay.
Entonces, en este caso, cuando aparecen estos dos as, we can avoid this than. Podemos evadir este than, porque
Yeah.
sí estamos
Use.
comparando, sí estamos
Yeah.
comparando. Pero cuando aparecen estos dos as, no necesitamos hacer nada con el verbo, sino solamente usar su modo en infinitive, su modo
Yeah.
original. Entonces, si usamos su modo original, no estamos comparando acá, este dan desaparece, tenemos este as y este as que nos deja iguales, equitativos. No estoy comparando quién es más, quién es menos, sino estoy diciendo tan como, tan inteligente, tan rápido, tan cómodo, tan bonito, tan bonita, tan feo, tan fea, tan pequeño, tan pequeña, como lo es Alice. Entonces, en este caso, so in this case, we can use just
Fast.
the verb fast,
Okay.
and that's the correct one. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. ¿Aún les aparecen mis letras? No. ¿Qué escribir?
Sí.
Sí, les aparecen lo que escribí. Okay, wait a moment.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, let's continue. Oh, what happened with that? Se nos fue Gina, así que te tocan todas a
Yeah.
ti.
Oh my gosh. Well, it's okay. No worries.
Okay.
His cat is. mm, okay. Large. Sure. Um, the first option, blue.
Blue. What happened here? More?
Yeah.
More short than my dog. More short. ¿Cuántas sílabas tiene la palabra short?
Just one. No, it's no more short. Sorry. Because I lost a little because I see large, bigger, but
Try to look for the correct one.
yeah, sure that the last ocean green.
Short than. Entonces no le añades el more, pero tampoco le añades nada más.
Oh my god. Let me check. Just one more time. This called is more. No. I, I'm not sure. Oh, let me. His cat is. Um,
Okay, let's try to do some. Vamos a descartar.
large
Large.
that.
Large than. Which one?
The
This one?
last. Yeah. It's my last opportunity. I give up.
It was your last opportunity. Yeah, it was. Because, wait a moment. Ok, vamos a hacer un juego de descartes.
Yeah.
It's a descartes game. Let's start. Okay. I don't know what happened with my account. What happened? Wait a moment. Okay. Wait. Creo que no vas a poder ver mis anotaciones. No sé qué pasó. It doesn't let me. I don't know what happened. Creo que no voy a poder borrarlas. Ok. ¿Puedes ver mis anotaciones? No.
No.
I don't know what happened. Wait a moment.
Yep.
Something is happening here that is not letting me to. No me está dejando. Y creo que no me va a dejar rayar de nuevo acá la pantalla. Entonces, vamos a hacer una por una. One by one.
Okay.
Imagina que tengo un lápiz aquí porque no me deja usarlo. I don't know what happened. Ok, vamos a ver. His cat is my dog. Ok, estoy comparando un gato y un perro. Entonces tiene que ser, ya descarté todas las superlativas porque estoy comparando un gato y un perro. Esta no, esta no. Ok, ya esas dos que son de superlativos ya salieron.
Yeah.
Vamos a ver. More large than. Ok, tengo el more con el large, pero el large es corto, is short, is just two syllables or one, large. So, it's not possible to add in a more. Descartada. The largest es superlativa, no. More big than. Ok, more big. ¿Por qué tengo que añadir un more con una sílaba? No puedo, I can't. More big, I can't do that. Largest fue descartada. Ok, vamos con esta de acá. Larger than. Tengo el ER que me complementa ese more que no le puedo añadir antes porque tengo que añadirle de todos modos un ER o un EST, lo cual se te está olvidando. Que si no hay un more o no hay un the most, tienes que añadirle a la palabra el er. Cuando son una o dos sílabas, tienes que añadírsela. Tiene que sí o sí tener el er o el est cuando no le puedes añadir el more o el most por ser menos de 2 sílabas. ¿Sí? Entonces nunca se te olvide, tiene que estar sí o sí ese er. Y acá tiene el than que está comparando. Entonces, ¿esta estará bien estructuralmente?
Yeah.
Ya. Y seguimos descartando. More short. No puedo añadir la short en more. Larger. Y entonces, ¿qué pasa con el otro? No, ¿dónde encuentro este than? Porque no está aquí. Tiene que tener el than. Bigger. Ok, está bien, pero falta el than. No se podía con esta porque faltaba el than. Por hecho, es obligatorio. En las superlativas es obligatorio el D y el est o el most. Alguna de esas tres. ¿Sí? Tiene que haber o el must con el de o tiene que haber el de con el est que se le añade a la palabra. Y en los comparativos tiene que tener o el more para las largas, para las cortas el er y obligatoriamente tienes que añadirle el than, a no ser que sea un as, que queda el verbo normal. Large than, ¿por qué no esta? Porque le falta el er, solamente le faltaba la r, ¿sí? No puedes olvidarte de eso, porque por eso no
Yeah.
utilizaste el more, pero tienes que darle el er acá. Si te falta el more, entonces tienes que añadirle. Y si te falta el most, tienes que añadirle el est, que sale del most. Most por eso tiene la st, para que no te olvides que el est sale de ahí. Y el short than, impossible. It doesn't contain the er. La correcta es eso.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. The
The
Pacific
Pacific
Ocean
Ocean is deeper than the last one.
is deeper than. Very good. Nice. You got it. Dubai is much
Hottest blue than brown. Brown.
this one.
Yeah, and hottest and blue.
Horace. Horace.
The next one.
This one.
On the right side. Oh, left side. Sorry.
This one.
Yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Sorry, sorry. It's hotter and green.
Green. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, you are right. Estás en la opción correcta. Solamente te voy a decir una cosita que en este caso es permitida. ¿Ya?
Yeah.
Let me give you this one. In this one, we can, it's like, you can give in when you can contain this mash. Cuando tienes este mash,
Yeah.
puedes añadir un more.
Much more.
Es que este mash,
Okay.
sorry. Es que este mash te permite duplicar el mash more. Mash
Okay.
more. Es como si
Yeah.
pudieras decir, perdón.
Mucho más.
Mucho más, sí, mucho más caliente. Creo que era solo el hot. Ahí fue donde me equivoqué yo. Pero es mash more te permite ubicar el more, ¿sí?
Okay.
Entonces, mash te permite duplicar y añadirle un more. Mash more. ¿Sí?
Okay.
Solamente que me equivoqué fue en la combinación aquí de palabritas. Esta te
Okay.
quedó.
It was the
Esta
blue
también es
more
un poco compleja
hotter.
también para mí.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, more hotter, no. Okay. Is this
No.
one? No. Sorry.
More hot. Yeah.
Yeah, much more hot.
Below.
Much more hot than Florida. Es como si este mash fuera mucho más, como si se unieran una sola y ya le quitan al hot la significado. ¿Sí?
Okay.
Okay. Leonor is
Football player in her class. The best.
the best football player in his class. Very good. And the next one. A smartwatch is an this one.
Oh my God.
Easy.
The smartwatch is in. Yeah. Where I see more expensive.
More expensive than. Esa fue la que me había quedado mal con el. Ay, ¿qué pasó? Okay. Good. And this one. Paul is at mathematics than Amalia.
Paul is um, who is no more bad.
More bad. More bad.
I'm
No
not
tienes un
sure.
mash. No puedes decir mash more porque no hay un mash aquí. En
Oh,
este caso sí
okay.
podría.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's a
Worse.
regular verb. Irregular
Worse.
verbs cambia a worse. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. My
My
cat
cat
is
is dark. My cat
dark.
is as dark as my dog.
As dark as my dog. Very good. You remember. David is the
I'm playing into instruments. The
easy. Easy peasy.
the best.
The best. Very good. Easy peasy. Okay, this sweater is
That one. More expensive.
more expensive. What is more expensive? I can see that.
No, it's not more expensive. Less expensive.
Less expensive than
Yeah.
one. You remember that.
I
Very
think
good.
that all the option you are more. Sorry, expensive.
Expensive. Expensive. Not possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think Roma is one of the cities in the world. Okay. That mm, more wonderful.
More?
Yeah.
Are you comparing?
Oh no.
In the world.
Yeah, in the world. Okay. The most wonderful. Yeah,
The
it's in the
most
top.
one. You are not comparing. Be careful with that.
Yeah, sorry.
Mm, nice. I hope that you can remember our mistakes and that you can remember that mash more, cuando tienes el mash more, tienes un mash, pero debes añadir el more, entonces puedes usar, al igual que el as, usamos el verbo común y corriente. Much more hot.
Yeah.
As. Esos dos nos permiten ubicar el verbo centrado y añadir el much more. El much more ese es tan especial que te permite dejar el verbo común y corriente y añadir ese much more. Suena redundante, pero es como cuando decimos
Mm,
mucho mejor.
yeah.
Okay, that's the end, and here is a test that I will compare you on the chat. It will be the homework. Aquí, va a ser la tarea, ¿sí? La puedes hacer en otro momento.
Okay.
Y you have 5 minutes, tienes 5 minutos y volvemos para empezar con otro tema, ¿listo?
Okay, perfect.
Okay, 5 minutes right now. Okay, pues. Time out. Okay. The second topic, as the other one was the easiest, I think so that you can remember now, and that was really easy. So the second topic for today is countable and uncountable nouns. This is also easy peasy too. So about countable and uncountable nouns, we have this one here. We have countable nouns. There are those that you can count. So in this case, you can count, have a singular and plural form, like book and books. You can see three, two trees, three trees, four trees, five trees. And we can use a singular verb or a plural verb. For example, the book is old. The books are old. For uncountable nouns, we cannot count them. We have only one form, but no plural. You can say butter, but you can't say butters. Always use a singular verb. For example, sugar and sweet. Sugar is sweet. We cannot use an or a number before them. For example, you can say a rice, we can say a bread, we can say two rice, or we can say two bread. It's impossible because it's like amount of things that you can count. It's just one pack or just one big thing. So these are some examples here that you can say uncountable nouns are often abstract ideas that cannot touch. So love, freedom, education, luck, health, beauty, music, and thunder are abstract ideas that you can use like uncountable nouns. We have some liquids and gases, for example, water, milk, wine, oil, coffee, rain, soup, air, smoke, and blood or juice or fog are liquids or gases made of small parts like sugar, rice, salt, sand, flour, dirt, moss, dust, traffic, grass, and spaghetti is made of smaller parts like the rice, but we can't count them. It's like we have to speak about them, or we have to say, okay, a piece or a little part or like a piece of cake, and sometimes you have to say, or like I don't know how to say, un granito de arroz, un granito de azúcar, ¿sí? Una pizca. En esos casos tienes que añadirle esa pizca, pero no puedes decir directamente un azúcar o dos azúcares. No, tú tienes que añadirle una pizca de azúcar o dos granitos de azúcar, dos granitos, ¿sí? Una pizca de sal o dos granitos de sal. De azúcar, sorry. O un grano de arroz, ahí sí podemos contarlos, pero si los decimos en general, we can't do that. So in this case, materials like wood, like the glass, like the paper, like the gold, like the silver, like the ice, the iron, the cotton, the wool, the steel, we can count them. Some food, okay, like the bread, like fish, like cheese, like chocolate, like meat, like bacon, like food, or like ham. Yeah, you have to say, oh, give me a piece of cake. Give me a piece of cheese. Yep. Be careful. Be careful that sometimes they're uncountable in English. Furniture, some advice, some work, news, information, and luggage and money. Something like this that you can count. So for some or any, it's easy, and I will share this video and I will not explain. I think that you is really understanding this video that I picked for you. So I'm gonna share the sound, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. But I think that is a real clear video, so I will not.
Hello again, my name is Francisco and welcome to this other video. Today we're going to be talking about some and any. Esto fue un video sugerido por Mariael, entonces agradecemos a Mariael también esa sugerencia y vamos a empezar entonces de una vez con esto. Ok, Some, vamos a utilizar some para cuando es afirmativo. ¿Cuándo utilizamos some? Cuando no estamos muy seguros de la cantidad o de pronto la cantidad no es muy importante. ¿Sí? Por ejemplo, dice, ahí hay unos mangos en la caja, no sabemos cuánto. Hay algunas manzanas en la mesa, no se sabe cuánto. Ya si es importante, tienes que mencionarla con 1 o 3 o 10, diciendo la cantidad. Sin embargo, esto lo vamos a utilizar así entonces. Some tiene ese significado que son 3, algo de, unos o unas, algunos y algunas. Entonces, para solamente afirmativo. Y any, la diferencia con any es que es para negativo. La mayoría de su uso es solamente negativo. Entonces significa nada de, algo de y ningún o ninguno. Esto es lo que tenemos acá. También se utilizan en preguntas, todos dos se pueden utilizar en preguntas, pero ya vamos a ver la diferencia de cuándo usar uno y otro. ¿Listo? Vamos a mirar entonces en esta parte primero. We have 6 examples here, sorry, not 5, 6 examples. We got some words here, some blanks. Tenemos algunas palabras, espacios en blanco acá. Vamos a mirar cuál es. Some o any. Primero, vamos a mirar si la oración es negativa o afirmativa. Eso puede darnos algo como de ciencia para saberlo. ¿Listo? De ciencia cierta. Ok. We need, ¿qué creen que va ahí? Nosotros necesitamos, ¿cuál? Some apples. Correcto. Entonces, ¿por qué son? Porque puede ser, nosotros necesitamos unas o unas manzanas o algunas manzanas. No es negativa. Entonces, por eso no ponemos any. Ahora esta. There isn't. No hay, recuerden que esto es no hay. There isn't, ya es negativa, ya sabemos que sería de una, any. Entonces, there isn't any juice. No hay nada de jugo. ¿Sí? Está correcto acá. The coffee needs sugar. El café necesita, ¿qué creen que viene? Aquí también dice algo de, pero ¿qué pasa con esta? Solamente para las negativas. ¿Es this a negative? No es nada negative sentence. Entonces no es una oración negativa. Entonces the coffee needs some sugar. That's it. Now let's continue with this one. I want, ¿sí? Water. Entonces yo quiero, mira a ver entonces cuál sería la opción. I want some water. Yo quiero algo de agua, ¿sí? Algo de agua, ¿verdad? Que está. There aren't, no hay, ya sabemos que es negativa, entonces sería any. There aren't any students in the class, no hay ningún estudiante en la clase. Ustedes dirán, ¿y por qué él dijo así que no hay ningún estudiante? ¿Sí? Si estamos hablando de students, cuando la vamos a traducir al español, se requiere entonces el singular. No hay ningún estudiante en la clase, ¿sí? Es sobre todo como por esto, porque no sería lógico, no hay ningunos estudiantes. There are any students in the class, no hay ningún estudiante en la clase. O no hay ningunos estudiantes, también podría ser. ¿Listo? Ningunos estudiantes en la clase. Let's continue with this. The pot, el tarrito, el potecito. The pot doesn't have, el pote no tiene, the pot doesn't have salt. No tiene, el pote no tiene nada de sal. Entonces sería en, ¿correcto? Entonces aquí están esas primeras hechas. Vamos a mirar entonces cómo podríamos hacer estas en preguntas, ¿correcto? Ok, now let's continue with interrogative sentences, and this is very simple. Vamos a hacer la parte de las interrogativas. En las interrogativas podemos utilizar some y podemos utilizar any, some or any. Sin embargo, some es más utilizado cuando estamos ofreciendo algo, cuando es una pregunta de ofrecimiento. Vamos a mirar entonces acá esta. ¿Quieres algunas manzanas? Entonces es algo de ofrecimiento, ya sabemos que es some. Entonces la idea sería así. Do you want some apples? ¿Quieres algunas manzanas? Do you want some apples? Estamos haciendo un ofrecimiento de cosas. ¿Listo? ¿Hay algo de agua en la botella? ¿Es un ofrecimiento? No, no es ofrecimiento. Entonces, ¿cómo digo? ¿Hay algo de agua? Is there, ¿sí? Is there any water? Is there any water in the bottle? Ustedes dirán, ¿y por qué is there? Recuerden que el agua no se puede contar, ¿sí? No podemos decir hay 2 aguas, 3 aguas, 4. No, botellas de agua sí, litros, en fin. Hay un video que yo coloqué también lo subí, donde se explica estos dos, las dos diferencias para que lo vean, se los dejaré en la descripción. Is there any water in the bottle? ¿Hay algo de agua aquí, la botella? Miren esta, number 3. ¿Te gustaría algo de leche? Es un ofrecimiento, entonces, some. Entonces aquí, ¿cómo sería la pregunta? Would you like some? Porque some estamos ofreciendo. Would you like some milk? Eso es todo. Would you like some milk? ¿Te gustaría algo de leche? Listo. ¿Hay algunos animales en tu casa? ¿Estamos ofreciendo animales? No estamos ofreciendo animales. Entonces, simplemente estamos preguntando que si hay. Entonces, ¿cómo es? Are there, ¿sí? Porque es hay en plural. Are there any animals? Are there any animals in your house? Eso es todo. ¿Sí? In your house. Very simple. Eso es todo, muchachos. Espero entonces que les haya servido mucho el video.
Okay. I think it's really clear. Something to be more clear. You're on mute.
Oh, I think it's clear. Yeah.
It's clear. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
really clear.
because in my case, I don't remember well, but I think that a few weeks I check about this topic a little, yeah, just the main idea because I'm a little confused with that. So I think that is more easy now.
That's good. So countable nouns are maybe preceded by an a or an n or one or singular article final, and uncountable nouns are not immediately preceded by an a or an or one, so they have no plural forms that don't add a final s for them. For example, countable nouns are a student, an apple, some kids, some orange, one kid, two kids, one orange, two orange. Yeah, okay. And countable nouns you can. So this news is very important. Your luggage looks heavy. It's different to say the news. This news, we can count the news. Our luggage looks heavy. Okay, so countable and uncountable. We can choose this one. Write C for countable or N for uncountable. Do you think bread is countable or uncountable?
No countable.
I don't know what
Uncountable.
happened with my pencil, but I can write. Okay, I can write. Sorry, I can
Oh my
write.
God.
I
Yeah,
don't know
we
what
can
happened.
continue. No
Yeah.
problem.
So let's try this one. Okay. Wait a moment. Magdalena. Here. Okay. Okay. Si tenemos un pan grande, es muy diferente. Pero si tenemos panecillos pequeños,
Yeah.
podríamos contarlo, ¿cierto? Entonces podría ser contable o uncontable de acuerdo a la imagen y de acuerdo al pan que nos den, ¿cierto?
Yeah, it's different because I remember even in some case see something like a slide. One slide of bread, two slide, yeah.
Yeah, break it. Okay, and in that case, you have to add the slide. Tienes que añadir
Yeah.
sí,
Yeah,
es muy diferente.
always. Yeah.
Cake, a piece of cake.
Yeah, it's countable.
Countable? You can
No?
count the cake, a piece of cake. You have to add a
Oh,
piece of cake,
okay, yeah,
but
it's
just the cake.
uncountable.
The cake is a big one,
Yeah,
and you can take pieces of them.
yeah, it's
So it's
uncountable.
uncountable. A dog,
Countable.
tea.
The 1 T, 2 T, 3 T.
Tea is a drink. It's a drink. What about
Yeah.
the drinks?
Oh, okay, it's a drink. No, it's uncountable.
You can. So, ¿tendrías que contar las gotas del café o tendrías que contar a cup of tea? Ahí sí
Yeah,
podrías decir.
it's a
Pero así en
different.
tea en general, you can't.
Yeah. Okay, I
So
got
it's
it.
uncountable. Student,
Yeah, countable.
cheese,
Uncountable.
uncountable. You have to take some pieces of them. Or else computer. Sorry.
Countable. Oh,
Water.
I got it. No worries. Uncountable. It's the
Yeah,
same case
uncountable.
of the tea. Yeah.
Is drink. Yeah, is drink like the tea. Very good. Like the milk. The milk. The milk. La leche también es uncountable porque tendrías que contar gota a gota o vaso a vaso.
Yeah,
¿Sí?
the milk and the juicy. Yeah.
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Information. Countable nouns are for things we can count using numbers. They have a singular and plural form. An S, like you. Uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count with numbers. They may be the names for abstract ideas or qualities, or for physical objects that are too small or too affordable to be counted. We have to take small pieces of them to can count them. So, for some or any, ¿qué pasa? Como lo decía el video, para usar some es usado para cosas positivas, frases positivas, y en uncountables también lo usamos para frases positivas. Entonces, some es usado para ambas. Some may also be used for questions or typical offers and requests. Cuando haces una pregunta o una oferta, ofreces con some. Cuando estás haciendo una pregunta cualquiera, pero no estás ofreciendo ningún elemento, entonces usas any. Any is used for negative sentence and questions. The same one. For example, she bought some magazine from the library. May I have some more chocolate? You're offering, and I'm offering something for me, for myself. There aren't any posters on the wall. Has Lucy got any brothers? Uncountables. There is some chicken left for you. There isn't any toilet paper left. Está negativo. Have you got any cash on you? Any? There is and there isn't for some or any uncountable noun. Entonces, con there is o con there isn't podemos usar ambas con los pronombres, los sustantivos en las cosas que son no contables. Entonces, por ejemplo, there is some meat in the fridge. Como es uncountable, podemos decir some. There isn't any coffee in the shop. Podemos usar, está negativo, por lo tanto usamos any. Y ambas se pueden usar con uncountables. There are and there aren't lo mismo, pero con el countable nouns, porque en este caso there are solamente es plural y el plural solamente se puede usar con countable. Some or any. También se pueden usar con contables, pero sabemos que están en plural. There are some rulers. Entonces, en este caso no utilizamos this is, but there are some rulers on the desk. There aren't any dishes on the table. Quiz time. Some or any. There are some or any stars in the sky.
Any?
There are any stars in the sky? Are you asking a question? Is positive or negative? Or is a question?
Oh, it's positive.
So what is?
There are some.
Some stars in the sky. Very good.
Sorry.
There isn't is negative. Sugar in my
It's
tea.
negative. If any. There isn't
Isn't
any
any.
sugar in my tea.
Very good.
It is uncountable.
There
Yeah.
aren't.
There aren't rows on the table.
It's countable.
Yeah. There aren't some. Oh my God. Yeah. Any. Any? Yeah.
There
It's any because it's negative.
is negative.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My bad. Yeah. I think first, but I don't know why I just say. Also
Remember,
because the rows is countable, but I forget that the main rule is negative any.
Yeah, that's the idea that you can try. Okay, let's play with countable and uncountable nouns.
Oh my gosh, powerful.
Come on, you can. It's not an uncountable noun. No es un incontable. Salt, strawberries, or
No, it's
cheese.
incontable. Okay. Strawberries.
Very good. Grapes are an or a. Uncountable noun, verb, or countable noun. Grapes.
Great. My God, I forgot grapes.
Grapes is in plural.
Great. Oh my God, yeah. Countable.
Countable is in plural, yeah. Very good. Is an uncountable noun.
Uncountable. Sugar.
Sugar. Very good. Is an uncountable noun.
Bread.
Bread. Very good. Is not a countable noun.
Jam.
Jam. Very good. Choose the countable noun.
Pens.
Pens. Countable. Very good. Choose the countable noun.
Cars.
Cars. One car, two cars, three cars. Is an uncountable noun.
Meat.
Very good. Choose the countable noun.
Apples.
Apples. Very good. Oil is an or a. Uncountable, countable, or past time adverbial.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Nice.
Yeah.
My husband did la mitad.
Oh
Very
my
good.
God, the frog is alive.
The frog is alive, yeah. With 3 lives. Very good. Okay. Oh, what happened? The next one. Okay. Here is a game about countable and uncountable nouns. Go ahead.
Okay. 5.
5. Water is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. Which one?
Number 1.
Number 1. Win 20 points.
Oh my God, my
Very
lucky
good.
day. Number 8.
Number 8. Cereal.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. Another one.
Okay. 12.
12. Pasta.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good.
Number 3.
Number 3. Oh, you
Oh my
won 25
gosh, the
points.
lucky day. Oh my God. 10.
10. Candy.
Countable.
Countable. Very good. Number
14.
14. Cookie.
Countable.
Countable. Very good. Another one.
Number 16.
Number 16. Air.
Uncountable. Surely.
Uncountable. Sure. That's very sure. Gases.
Number 9.
Number 9. Apple.
Countable.
Countable.
7.
7. Beer.
Countable.
Countables. Very good.
6.
Number 6. Nug.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. Another one.
Number 2.
Number 2. Ketchup.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. Another one.
Number 11.
11. Oh, you lose 15 points.
Oh my
Oops.
God. Number 3. No, 4.
Number 4. Chocolate.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good.
13.
13. Oil.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. And number
And the
15.
last
Chicken.
one, uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. Nice job.
Yeah.
Yay.
Easy peasy, you say.
Easy peasy. Okay, this is a game. Another game. Something like that. And the things are. This is just the order uncountable and countable. You wanna try?
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's practice.
Uncountable.
Water,
Water.
tea,
Tea.
milk,
Milk.
flour,
Flour.
butter,
Butter.
sugar.
Sugar. What is the sugar? Okay.
Yeah. Honey.
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 Sorry. Cheese. Milk, I
Cheese.
say.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Say
Right.
cheese. Rice.
Pasta.
Pasta. Very good. There is pasta. Oh, okay, found it.
Meat.
Meat.
And bread.
And bread. Very good. So the other one is tea. Look at here. Cups of tea. Can you see? Tú puedes contar las copas de té, las tazas de té, pero no puedes contar solamente el té, ¿cierto? Muy diferente copas de té al solo té.
Yeah, because it's more specific.
Yeah. You can count them, but you can count just the tea. Bottles of ice.
Bottles is the same. It's specific.
You can count a specific. Yeah, very good. It's try to understand that and you got the idea, right?
Yeah. My
Nice.
God, what a day.
What a day. That's why today we're like just two topics because thanks because I knew that these topics were really easy to understand and it's for 2 hours. It's impossible for me to continue just with superlative and comparative or just this one topic. That's why I joined today these two topics for you.
Yeah, because it's a little bit boring, maybe the comparative and superlative 2 hours, but at the same time, I consider that it's important because, in my case, and how you see, I can understand the main concept, but I'm struggling a little with that. But it's okay. I try to practice in different occasions, in different moments. So it's good. I really interested about these different topics that I can struggle because I need to practice a little bit more. So I try to pay attention more. And for me, it's always I try to see the positive side. Yeah. So I don't know. I just feel comfortable about the mistake. Yeah, because
Positive, the positive, right?
yeah, the positive. Yeah, and so I try to I don't know how to say that. Yeah, getting better. Yeah, because yeah, I try to learn more the struggle because it's a process and I try to repeat me all the days that
Repeat
because
myself. Repeat
yeah
myself.
repeat myself that because it's a little complicated because I try to dedicate the the mm, oh my god, I forgot the word.
The
Yeah, I
idea,
tried to dedicate the
the time.
the the time. Yeah, the time to practice about the different topics. So it's a little it's something that I little appreciate. I little want to learn. So I try to look for different space to practice because with my words sometimes a little complicated. The time is like, oh my god, it's overwhelming in some time in
I guess
different
so.
moments. Yeah, in different days. Even the last week for me it was so overwhelming. Is I don't know what uh yeah, it was like the mm, a little hard, yeah,
Mhm.
but at the same time I had in my head this day, to be honest. I tried to think about the weekend to practice because I don't have to different option to practice. Yeah, I have the digital resource, but
Tools.
sometimes yeah, you try to something like a more physical, personal. Yeah.
Mhm.
In my case, I just uh, really enjoy the difference practice with the person. And now these class are my favorite in my safe place, yeah, to practice English. So that's that's something that I really like and I really appreciate because I know that is your I don't know, like assignment, yeah, but I know that you are giving the best of you for everyone, in my case me, understand the messages. So I try to say in every class, and I just want to say thank you in different occasion because it's a little complicated when you have to prepare different um, topics and make the person the people, sorry, the people understand. So I try to um, dedicate the time, the more time possible.
Okay.
So
Thanks for your words. Chit. Thanks for your words. That's really, I really appreciate that you can look for that after all the material or the activities. I appreciate that you can feel secure and can feel that you will enjoy the class. That's the idea. That you will enjoy learning, and that's good. So thank you. About today, we have at least 7 minutes. So if you can, uh, you can use those 7 minutes to do your file journal, el diario de campo de hoy. Lo puedes hacer si quieres durante la sesión y puedes enviar el anterior.
okay, yeah. Let me organize because I I remember yesterday and I
Mhm.
do, but I have the answer in WhatsApp. So let me put it in a document and send you.
Ujú. Ok. ¿Quieres puedes enviar en el mismo documento los dos diarios, el del domingo y el de hoy? Puedes enviarlo, you can send them. Entonces, los 7 minutos que quedan los tienes para ellos. Si quieres, we can end the session. Podemos terminar la sesión ahora y me envías durante estos minutos. ¿Ok?
Okay,
Con eso no
perfect.
te
No
acelero, que
problem.
ya quedan 7 minutos. No. Tienes tu tiempo, los terminas de una, ya queda libre el resto del día. About tomorrow, I don't know what to do. About tomorrow. I have to go. I have an activity on the church. And I can in the
Yeah.
morning.
Okay,
And
you
then
I don't know ¿A qué horas más o menos te queda fácil?
De 2 a 4 de la tarde, porque sé que ustedes solamente tienen sábados y domingos, porque entre semana tampoco pueden. Que yo puedo un
Pero el
lunes,
lunes es festivo.
el lunes es festivo. If you can, we can. I
Yeah,
can do. I can Monday.
I don't have any problem
I forget
tomorrow in
about
the
that day.
afternoon. Yeah, I don't have any problem in the afternoon tomorrow or the
Then-
Monday in the. I don't know. I don't have any problem. You know me, but I don't know what think about Gina and Adriana. Yeah, Adriana.
Okay.
So I
Let me.
maybe let messages in the chat one more time to
Okay,
confirm
wait.
about that.
Okay,
And
then